We're going to do a brief video on stock market stocks, CHNG Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart here of Change Healthcare, and it is got a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Let's take a quick look at this stock. It's up 6% this morning on volume of 20 million shares. Normal volume is about 2.5 million shares. It's the 20th of September before 10 o'clock. So this stock's got a tremendous amount of volume today, and it's about $27.21 today. Again, up 6%. Let's take a quick look at it. As you can see, back here in September of 2020, we started a really good bull market on this stock. Had a huge gap, came back down. Really interesting to show. We filled this gap. It just gradually, slowly filled this gap, went into bear market territory here, starting at around August 21st. And like most gaps, this one here was filled. And once it was filled, the stock took back off. You'll notice it gapped again here as it broke into bull market territory in the spring of 2022, in the March time frame. It gapped again, the gap was filled, and it took off again. So we're now in a bull market in this stock. We spread it out a little bit. You can see that it does not really have any respect for a 20-day moving average. It's not horrible, but it's not great respect. It is bouncing off of it, but when you're in a bull market and you have this kind of sideways movement, moving averages just can really whipsaw you around. But this last little section here we can use to make a determination as to what's going on right this second. So let's spread it out again. The 200-day, the 20-day, the 5-day stock's price is essentially almost or definitely is above all of those. It's almost above the 5-day today. So this stock's definitely in a bull market, and right this second it doesn't look like the stock is updated yet, but the current price on it is up $1.74 from yesterday's close. So that's going to put us up into $27.21 territory, right around 20. It's going to actually go above off this chart here, but it's up here. So we've had a really good move in this stock this morning, and the trend's definitely up. So what do I think about this stock going forward? This stock's in a bull market, but it doesn't really have great support. You can see when you spread this out, it looks like the 20 days helping, but this is a very short period of time. This is just from July. So I would not say that this stock really respects the 20-day that much. So it's hard to say what's going on with this stock. We're definitely, there may be some fundamental reasons why it's going up this morning, but the important takeaways from this little video is, number one, we're in a good, strong bull market in this stock. Number two, we're getting overbought. So you can see that when we chased away from this 200-day, this blue moving average, we sold down. We chased away from it again, we sold down. Chased away from it again, we sold down, and so on. So this stock's due for a sell-off. My guess is that we're going to get our little run here that we're getting right today, assuming it's not fundamental news, and I don't follow the fundamental news on the stock, but assuming it's just a good trading day. Looking at it now, it's up almost 7% on over 20 million shares. Assuming it's just a regular trading incident going on and not something fundamental, then I think the stock's probably going to break back down to the moving average here in the relatively short period of time. So keep in mind the price right now is off the top of this chart at 27, and an easy decline back down. Here we go. This just reset. Looks like it just updated. Or getting ready to update. Yep, it's at $27.27. Today's the high. So you can see we're starting to get a little bit aggressive on this stock and due for a pullback if you look at these previous pullbacks above the 20-day moving average. My guess is this stock's, when you look at it, if we actually placed it on here, the price is right there. You can't see it, but it's right there where my little finger pointer shows. So this stock's now in serious overbought territory. My guess is if this isn't a fundamental takeover move of the company, we're going to sell back down here to the high 25s and do that probably within the next week or two, probably by the end of the month. Again, if it's a fundamental thing and they're selling the company, that's something different. But if it's just a technical thing, look for the stock, in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only, to sell back down to about 26 to get in line, maybe even 25.5 to get in line with the rising 20-day moving average. Again, it's not respecting it great, but it is respecting it enough to be able to make that kind of analysis. So short term, look for this stock to maybe put in a little higher move today and then sell back down by the end of September to the low 26s, maybe even the high 25s. That's my best guess and my best opinion only, for entertainment purposes only. Let's take a look real quick and see if we follow this stock for RBAM Research. I don't think we do. The ticker CHNG, and we don't follow it, but we do follow 190 stocks that come out every morning, Monday through Friday, before 7 a.m. You can see we have 3 columns here. It's a short-term trading system, algorithmically generated prices, 1-day, 5-day, and 20-day holds, and again, they're updated every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. You can see we got a lot of zeros here today. This was Apple, NIO, Tesla. They're all showing Apple. That's indicating that the algorithms does not think today is a good day to buy stocks. You can take a look and see there are a few in here, plug power and so forth, but most of these are zeros, meaning doesn't recommend you get in the market. Let's scoot down and take a look at our trend following. We've got a YouTube exclusive beta trend following system we put up. We put up all these other stocks, but this section we do not put up. This is the little trend section that is in beta still. It's it's done testing, but we haven't put it out publicly yet. We just show it as a bonus to YouTube viewers. It's a 30-day hold moving average trading system. It's much more sophisticated than a regular moving average, but it gives exact entry prices. You can see today it's looking to short the S&P 500 39.27, short Apple, short Tesla, short all these stocks except probably the airlines and NIO. You'll notice there was a buy price up above for NIO in the regular algos, so it's shorting the everything pretty much but NIO and the airlines. So that's consistent with the other algorithms other algorithmic prices that have been put out, which have essentially been zeros. So that's what we offer on rbamresearch.com. Hopefully CHNG Healthcare will keep on going, but I think it's probably going to pull back in my opinion. You can get all of our algorithmically generated entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely free, no credit card required. You just follow the link in the description below, go there and sign up and get access to 190 plus stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Again, absolutely no cost, no credit card required. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you think moving averages are helpful, please leave us a comment in the section below and tell us why. If you can't stand them, please leave us a comment and tell us why. We'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices and my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. Can only use it for entertainment purposes and nothing else. You gotta have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.